Everybody needs a little time away. I heard her say from each other. Evil lovers need a holiday, far away from each other. Hold me now. It's hard for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to stay. And after all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise to. And all the time been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go. Hold me now. I really want to tell you I'm sorry. I could never let you go. That we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise to. Everybody needs a little time away. I heard her say from each other.
All right, let us hear from our judges. Come back this way, Francois. Starting with Aline.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Is me to talk?
Yes, Aline.
Oh, okay. Hi, Francois. Bonsoir, Francois.
Bonsoir, bonsoir.
Okay, so Francois, you have a good voice. Let me start there, right? And I see that you really want it. I also see that this was a very big moment for you and you were very nervous. And so as a result of that, you forgot the words. And then when the song changed, when the key transitioned to a higher key, you kind of, and then, oh yeah, see the key there, and you went there. It's not like you were off key at all, right? So what I want you to know is hold up your head. Because the fact is you're here because you went through the auditions and you made it, right? You made it to here. Be proud of this moment, okay? It's okay. We all make mistakes sometimes. What I want you to do now is to grow in your confidence, right? To know that, all right, you know, some slip up a while ago, but I have so much more to offer. So there were good points, but you had some little slips. But thank you for my rose, and I know that there's better for you to come, all right? So keep your head up.
Thank you, Conroy.
You started off actually very nicely. The sound was nice when you started, but then it went downhill from there. And so I know it's going to take a lot for Jamaica to bring you back to the competition, for you to show that you have something that is valuable and worthwhile.
Anthony.
Boy, after that, you're going to need a bunch of roses to give somebody because, I mean, there are things that can go wrong, but there's always the potential to come back and to come back big and do something interesting and powerful. But for me, I just didn't get a spark of life from the word go. I got more of a sense of who you were and, more of a spark of life from your postcard. I just thought coming here tonight, you needed to have brought more energy. It was completely missing.
Thanks, judges. Francois put his heart into his performance. Help him make more memories by keeping him here. Text the word VOTE to 4445503 or call 4445503. Thanks, Francois.